Lord Ganesh. Done. So the next program will be by our little chance. They are ready to rock.
School members, the smallest family members of the school, those are from the LKG kids rocking on the stage. Everyone ready to witness that? Now, let us welcome the LKG boys and girls for the song Butterfly.
Now imagine such a beautiful, colorful butterflies are in front of you. They are ready to perform a beautiful performance. So once you imagine, even all can imagine if all the butterflies are in front of you. What you are going to do? I require a small expression from your all of the hand.
Onto the stage.
Just like butterflies, they remind us how beautiful are very small things like light, free and full of happiness.
LKG. If that does not melt your heart, nothing will.
Our LKG girls are next with a performance on the LKG girls on a performance on Butterfly. They have really rocked it. Our LKG girls, a performance they want to give Vana Vana and Ama Good Girl. So I request each and every parent to please join your hands along with the children to raise your sound.
Class teacher,
Everyone,
class teacher. Your class teacher or dance?
I still cannot hear the enough applause for them.
I request all the parents to please join your hands to encourage our children for the next moving forward for the programs. not only about the boys, it is about the sincerity they have taken them. So I request all once again to join your hands to give a big round applause for encouraging the children.
Now, I request UKG children to share their experiences in the form of poems. Please welcome Faizan Ali, Harika, Joel, Karan Yadav, Tarak Ramgav and Jashvita. These are the first cute little children who are going to share their experience about what they felt in school, what they learned in school and what they did in the school. So, now let us start with these voices and continue with the graduation.
In UKG, I clap my hand, I jump with God, I'm a happy boy, I'm play and learn every day. Thank you all. Hippie Puri.
Happy Pura everyone! Now let us welcome the cute little Joel to say a few words about the school.
Morning everyone. My name is Joel. I study in UKG. Twinkle, smile, happy me. Best little child I can be. I love my school. It's so fun. I love my big school as we get.
Now that was a nice performance. Now let's welcome the Tarak Ramgav to give his speech.
My name is Tarak Ram. I study in UKG. Jamban class. Today is my graduation day. I'm going in school today. Now I go on my day.
Now that was pretty. Now let's welcome Karan Yadav to say something.
My name is Karan and studying in UKG. I'm happy today. Thank you.
Now Harika, let us say cute little words from your mouth too. And everyone clap for Karan please.
Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Harika. I'm studying in UKG, play and learn, laugh and sing. School has been a happy thing. Friends and teachers oh so nice. Thank you all, that's my advice.
Now Harika, that was a very calm and beautiful expression of how you feel. Now let's welcome Jashvita to say a
My
few words.
name is Deshita, studying in UKG. Hello, hello, here I say, I am happy on this day. I love school, I love play. Thank you all, happy today.
These children have no
Hands are shaking by standing in the fear, and they, studying in just UKG, are very fearless. Now, let us give a round applause for everyone. Now, let's welcome Ganesh for his graduation speech. Because let's be honest, not only UKG but also 5th class is graduating from primary section to secondary section. So, even he deserves a chance to speak a few words about his graduation day.
about this graduation day.
Good morning, respected teachers, everyone is present here. Teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Welcome to our 5th and UKG graduation ceremony. Today is a happy day for us. Happy because we finished our elementary school. Thank you to our amazing teachers for guiding us and our parents for the endless love. We are ready for a new adventure in middle school. Let's celebrate. Congratulations everybody. Waited it.
Good morning everyone. I'm Leah. We are celebrating graduation day. Our school gave us friends, fun and knowledge. Thank you.
बाबू
The Stones during school solo dance performance. Mahati takes the stage with the Pranavalaya. For those who know the song, prepare to feel something. For those who don't, today is the day you discover it. This is going to be the best day where you witness the most amazing dance performance by Mahati. Everyone, clap for her.
herself came front, took a step front and gave ma'am a saying that a word, I want to perform my song in front of all the honorable judges. And principal sir and along in front of my teachers, she requested. So for that we have to say very gratefulness. Thank you Mahadi. This is a very big honor you are giving to our school. So I request for this at least a very big round of applause from our Rajadhani Model High School. ఒక పెద్ద ఓ వేసుకోండమ్మా. సరిపోలేదు ఇంకొంచెం. ఈ ఓ బాగుంటేనే నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకో లెవెల్కి వెళ్తాం.
Now I ask parents to just spare 2 minutes with us for the next performance of the class 1 of the girls and boys for the song Chiki Chiki Cham, for the boys to get them ready for the next dance of the song called Isko Diwali.
Wonderful performance by our students. Really, people are looking very great now. A big round of applause. Please join your hands and encourage us.
హలో
ఇంత చిన్న పిల్లలు వాళ్ళ టైంని మన కోసం సమయాన్ని కొంచెం మాకు ఇచ్చేయండి, ఎంకరేజ్ చేయండి, క్లాప్ చేయండి, సౌండ్ ఇవ్వండి. అదే మీరు మాకు ఇచ్చేది. గట్టిగా, ఇంకొంచెం గట్టిగా అమ్మా. చిల్డ్రన్ క్రిస్మస్ పేరెంట్స్ అని పెట్టేస్తాం.
The eyes, it is not just a performance, it is just the celebration itself. The way they jump around on the stage, the way they have moved the body, it is so good and so beautiful. Everyone enjoyed it, right? Okay, now let us maintain the same energy and welcome a first class boys to dance on this song.
Congo Diwali. Chalo, sound please. Disco song yaar. Come on, chill out, come on,
Everyone get on and encourage everyone. On the song. Shout it along. Ivani from the movie called Student of the Year. And now, when the studenthood came, shall we continue with the main program, that is graduation day certificates distribution? Yes or no?
Yes.
So, who should we start with? Fifth or UKG? Fifth or UKG?
UKG. Oh, the parents
UKG.
UKG.
Okay.
Now the sound
Thanks
is
so
good.
much, ma'am.
Now the sound is good. Means if I get heard, there will be. Okay, done. From each and every performance now I will.
No, they will be active from now on. Yes, sir, parents? Or
Yes,
you
the sound
parents?
రాట్లేదు.
Yes? Still no response. Should we just resume this one? Because I don't think parents have enough energy to continue.
అబ్బా మీరు ఇట్లనే సైలెంట్ ఉన్నారు అనుకోండి, నేను అన్ని సుత్తి పాటలు పెట్టాను, మంచి ఎనర్జీ పాటలు పెట్టాను. మీ ఇష్టం. మీకు రాకింగ్ పాటలు కావాలని అంటే జర గట్టిగా సౌండ్ ఇవ్వాలి నాకు. ఇట్లా లౌడ్ వాయిస్ ఫర్ మీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Children,
Collect your hearts after the ceremony. The next one is the Harshavardhan, the loudspeaker who needs no microphone. I seated near the stage so that it is easy for you to climb up the dais and collect the certificate along with your child. I request UKG children's guardians and parents please be collected near the stage. Please come on the dais and also along with K. Rishit Mahadevan.
the tickets wait for some time. They are changing the dresses, and I request the guests to take your seats. Again, we'll
That you won't be bored only by watching the certificate distribution. Now, let's give a round applause for Sihan Janabi for Class 8 for doing the solo performance.
చక్కని తల్లికి చాలుభళ
because there's a touch in the classical music which no Western music can match. Now, let us resume our certificate distribution of our cute little UKG boys and girls. I request our chief guest and guest of honors to take the dais and resume the certificate distribution. The Ganesh Yadav, a charmer who wins the hearts effortlessly. The Ganesh and his parents, I welcome to them to collect the certificates from our esteemed chief guest. And next one is the Shivansh, the innocent, pure-hearted and the precious of the class. Everything he does. Tarakram, you are the next. Perfectly super because super Ellen wasn't enough. Next one is the Thakur Shivir Singh, who is evergreen and our second rank holder and the next one is Tarakram Gaur.
क्या बेटा तो क्या
Next one is a rich one who is an helping hand, always the first to lend the support.
ready sir.
Next one in the line is the Mohammed Noman, who is the nature lover, gentle and connected to the world around them. Next one is the P. Manisha, charming with her warmth which draws everyone in. For our video.
जोड़े जैसी चाल, छाती जैसी तुम, ओ सावन राजा, कहाँ से आई तुम? जोड़े जैसी चाल, छाती जैसी तुम, ओ सावन राजा, कहाँ से आई तुम? तुम तुम छक, तुम छक, तुम छक,
who is jolly in nature, happiness and personified. And the next one is Pranika Yadav, who is curious, always asking,